Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Hub. Today I'm going to teach you on how to change your ringtone in iPhone. You can directly go on your setting, or if you can't find setting on your phone, you can go to the app library, search settings. Now tap over there. Now there you can see various options. Below the notification section, you can see the option sounds and haptics. Tap over there. Tap on the option ringtone. We can see various options of ringtone. You can choose any one that you like. Likewise, at the top, you can also see the option haptics. Tap over there. There also you can see various options that you can choose. After you are done choosing, all you have to do is go back. And that's it. Your new ringtone is all set. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Hub. Thank you.